Good morning students. Our next chapter is expansions. In your earlier classes you have learned about the product of two binomials, right? For example, if I am having two binomial, one is x plus a, another is x plus b, right? Now if I am saying expansion means to say you need to calculate the product of both the brackets, right? The product of two binomials is what? It is the expansion. Here we are having two methods. One is the direct, another is indirect. See, one thing that you have learned earlier, that is what? That from this multiply this whole second bracket, right? Then with this multiply the whole bracket, right? Now if I solve this one, x into x, it will be x square, right? Then x into b, it will be plus bx, right? Same, plus a into x, it will be ax, a into b, it will be ab, right? So this is the expansion. What else I can write? I can write x square plus a plus b into x, because in between that x is common, then a into b, right? This is your method how to calculate the product of two binomials, right? So what we have done, we have taken the first term of the first bracket and multiplied the second whole bracket. Then second term of the first bracket and multiply the whole bracket with the second term. Then after calculating each and every one, we are getting the result. So what I can write over here, so if instead of expansion, if instead of doing the multiplication, if I am going to write the step, see, if I am having this x plus a into x plus b, this x is the first term of this bracket, a is the second term of this bracket, x is the first term of this bracket and b is the second term, right? So first step is what? That multiply the first terms of the binomials. Multiply the first terms of binomials, right? Step 2 will be what? Step 2 is find the inner and outer products and take algebraic sum, right? And then step 3 is what? Multiply the last terms of binomial. Multiply the last term of binomial. And step 4 is what? Algebraic sum of step 1, 2 and 3. This is the method. See, first is what? Multiply the first term of the binomial. I am taking this one again, x plus a, x plus b, right? This is your first term, this is second term. This is first term, this is second term, right? So multiply the first terms of binomial. Here first term is this, first term is this. So step 1 will be what? X into x, it will become x square. Then step 2 is what? Find the inner and outer product. See, inner product is this and outer product is, right? That means the inner terms is being multiplied, so inner will be what? A into x, right? Outer, that means the outermost terms, first and last term, so it will be bx. Find the inner and outer product. Inner product I have calculated, outer product I have calculated, and then take their algebraic sum. That means ax plus bx, right? Or what else I can write? Can I write a plus b into x, right? Now step 3, multiply the last terms of the binomial. See, what is the last terms? In this binomial, last term is a and in this binomial the last term is b. So it will become a into b. And step 4 is your required answer. Required answer is what? Algebraic sum of step 1, step 2 and step 3. See, that means x square plus, in step 2 what I got? A plus b into x plus a. Right? So these are the two methods. One is by calculating the product. See, when I done the calculation, when I done the prediction, what I got this value, right? Another, by the steps what I have done, step 1, step 2, step 3 and step 4. If 4 steps you learn, then you will get the direct answer. But in both the cases you will get the same answer. This is the expansion method. So here I am taking the example. I am having two binomials. One is 2x plus 6 and another is 3x plus 4. You need to do the expansion of this, or either I can say you need to calculate the product of both the brackets. So first method is that 2x is being multiplied with whole bracket and another with the 6, 3x plus 4, right? Then after multiplying that you will get the answer. Another, if I am following the step method, see, step 1 was what? Multiply the first term. So 2x into 3x. It will how much? 2 into 3 6, x into x, x square, right? Step 2. Step 2 was what? Calculate the inner product and then outer product. Inner product means to say inner terms. Inner product will be 6 into 3x. It will be 18x. Now calculate the outer product. This one. That means 2x into 4. So how much it will be? 8x. Then next is algebraic sum. Algebraic sum will be what? 18x plus 8x. So it will be how much? 26x. Right? So we have done the second step. Third step is what? You need to calculate the product of second terms. Second term is 6 and 4. So 6 into 4 is how much? It is 24. So step 4 will be what? Algebraic sum of all the terms. 6x square plus 26x plus 24. So this will be your resultant. That means what else I can write? 2x plus 6 into 3x plus 4 is equal to 6x square plus 26x plus 24. If you are doing this method, again you will get the same answer. See, we can check it. 2x into 3x, 2 into 3, it will become 6x square and it will become 8x. Now solve this one. 6 into 3, it will be 18x. 6 into 4, it will be 24. So 6x square plus 26x plus 24. See, in both the cases you will get the same result, right? You can do by the product method, by solving the product one by one, or either you can follow the steps. Second topic, square of binomial. In square of binomial, for example, I am taking a binomial x plus a, right? I want to calculate the square of this. Square of this means to say square of x plus a. So it will be what? X plus a square, right? So we know that squaring means to say the same term is being multiplied by itself. So x plus a square, it will become what? X plus a into x plus a, right? So what will be? How will you solve that? Again we are having two methods. One is x into x plus a plus a into x plus a. So it will become x square plus ax plus a square. So x square ax plus ax, it will become 2x plus a square. One method is this. Another, the same what you have taken. First step is what? X plus a into x plus a. In first step what you will take? that multiply the first term. So it will be x into x, x square. Second term is what? It will be inner product and outer product. Ax plus ax, it will become 2ax, and third step was what? It was the multiply the second terms. Second term is a. So a into a will be a square. So result will be what? X square plus 2ax plus a square, right? That means expansion of any binomial is what? The square of first term plus square of second term, right? Multiplied by the twice of is 2x multiplied by twice of what? The first term and the product of the first term and the second term, right? So this is how you will calculate the square of binomial. For example, if I am taking 2x plus 3 whole square, right? So what you will do? Once you can do 2x plus 3 and 2x plus 3. Multiply the bracket and then you solve, right? And further you can compare. If it is x, this is a, right? So this is first term, this is second term. So what will you do? 2x plus 3 into 2x plus 3. So it will become 2x into 2x, 4x square. That you need to remember. See, you are not only multiplying by 2 into 2, also you are multiplying x into x. That's why it is becoming 4x square, right? First step. Second step is what? Twice of a. A is over here, 3 into 2x. So it will become 12x. And third step is what? 3 into 3. It will become 9. So result will be 4x square plus 12x plus 9. So in this method you can calculate the square of any number. I am giving another example also. For example, 2x plus 3y whole square, right? So what you will do? We know that a plus b whole square is equal to what? A square plus b square plus 2ab. Just you have done, right? Or either you have I have told you that x plus a square is what? X square plus 2ax plus a square, right? So same, we will compare this one. What is this? 2x plus 3y, right? That means over here x is 2x, a is how much? 3y, right? So x square, that means 2x whole square, right? X square plus 2ax plus a square. So x, in this when we compare, x is how much? 2x. So 2x whole square plus 2 into a is how much? 3y into x. X is how much? 2x plus a square, that means 3y square. Solve this one. 2 into 2, 4x square plus how much it will be? 12xy plus 9y square, right? Also you can do by this method. 2x plus 3y into 2x plus 3y. So 2x into 2x plus 3y plus 3y into 2x plus 3y. 2x into 2x, 4x square, 2x into 3y, it will become 6xy. 3 into 2, 6yx plus 3 into 3, 9y square. So 4x square plus 12xy plus 9y square. So either whichever method you are following, you will always get the same result. Either you follow the formula method, or either you go by step method, or either you use the identity to calculate the square of binomial, right? I have given you the example of plus sign. That means x a plus b whole square or x plus a square, right? The same thing will be applied in case of minus sign. What?
Okay.
For example, if it is x minus a whole square, right? Instead of plus sign, if you are taking the square of minus binomial. So what it will be? X minus a. That means, can I write x minus a into x minus a, right? So we will go again this method, x into x minus a, and then minus a into x minus a. What I have done, with the first term multiply the whole bracket, with the second term with its sign multiply the whole bracket. So x into x, x square, x into minus a, it will become minus ax, minus a into x, minus ax, minus a into minus a, it will become how much? Plus a square. So what I am getting from here, x square minus 2ax plus a square, right? That means if you are having the minus term expansion, then what you will do, in case of this, first you need to calculate the square of first term, square of second term, and then minus sign with twice of multiplication of first term and the second term. Only the difference will be of minus sign. That means what I can write, x plus a square is how much? X square plus 2ax plus a square, and x minus a square will be what? X square minus 2x plus a square, right? That means if I am having the question that for example x minus 2 whole square, so what it will be? X square minus 2x minus 2 into x plus a square, that means 2 square. So it will be x square minus 4x plus 4. This will be the result. But if it is x plus 2 square, then the result will be x square plus 4x plus 4, right? That means the difference will become in the sign over here. So in this way you will calculate the expansion of the minus terms, right? For example, another I am taking 3x minus 4y square. So what it will be? First step is what? Square of first term. So 3x whole square. Second, square of second term. 4y whole square. Over here this is minus, so minus twice of product of first term and the second term, right? So 3 into 3, 9x square, 3 into 4, 12 into 24 xy plus, right? So in this way you will get the results, right? So just in both the formulas, the two steps in case of calculation of square, first square of first term, square of second term, then twice of product of both the terms. If it is plus sign, then over here it will become plus. If it is minus sign, then over here it will become minus. So in this way you will solve the questions. Next we will do the perfect squares and the formula for the square of trinomial and the formula for the cube of binomial in our next class. After that I am going to giving you the homework that you need to solve accordingly. That means you need to calculate the expansion of plus terms and the minus expansion binomials, as well as you need to calculate the square of the binomials.